Hello, my friend. It is time for our annual Beautylish LuckyBag unboxing. I always do this with my kids every year. I will link all of our previous videos down below if you've never met my children. This is John. How old are you?
I don't know. Let me think. Oh yeah, I'm 8.
Lila, how old are you?
11.
All right, so if you are interested to see what I got in my annual Beautylish Mystery Lucky Bag, see if I got extra lucky. Hang tight. We're getting into it right now. Okay, so I did watch a few unboxings, kids, and I have to tell you, they were not very good. And I'm hoping, because there were 1 or 2 of them that I really liked, but there were quite a few that had a lot of products that I already own in it. So if I get products that I already have, I'm gonna be a little sad, but that's okay. They can always be for a future giveaway. So if you're not familiar, Beautylish Lucky Bag is something that happens at the end of December, right after Christmas. These go on sale. They're like 90 bucks with shipping. They're really expensive. So it is a gamble every year we do this. I would say probably about 50 to 60% of the time I don't really like a whole lot of it, but I do it every year because it's kind of fun and I get to film the video with my kids, and yeah. That's the intro. Let's just get started. I want to see what's in this box. So let's go ahead and open it up. Don't stab any of my children in the process. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to close my eyes, and there's some kind of paper here. And then we're going to lift up the paper, and I am not going to look and see what's inside. All right, I think John went first last year.
Yeah, I think he did too.
Okay, so Lila, go ahead and grab something. Okay, and then let me know when you've got it. I'm crossing my fingers. I really hope it's good. I really hope it's good. I want to get good things, because sometimes you get really, really, really good things. Ooh. You get something?
Should I cover back up?
Okay, yeah, go right back up, and I'm going to push it this way so that I can't see what else is in there. Okay. Okay. This is something I already own. But it's a really great palette. It's actually one of my favorite palettes of 2019. If you didn't see my 2019 favorites videos, this was in it. It is the Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Do you see the colors that are in there? They're really, really pretty. I think so. So this is going to be something that's going to be for a future giveaway. Not excited about this because this is the big item that's in the boxes, is the palette. I'm hoping I get some really fancy schmancy brushes. That would be the other way that this would be a really good one, to get some fancy brushes. All right, John, are you ready? So far, we're at 0 for 1.
You gotta cover it back up.
Cover it back up so I can't see. Okay, so, okay. Becca Velvet Blurring Primer in Apricot Haze. I do not own this, and I've never tried this. Yay! So I'm excited about that. Are you guys excited?
Not really.
They were more excited when they were littler, when they thought it might be more fun than it actually is, but now they're older, but you know. Okay, so this one is a velvet. Let me see how it feels. I'm curious to see, because this is definitely something I'm keeping. Okay, so it's like liquid water. Is it supposed to be like that? I don't think so. Let me try shaking it. Don't think that's supposed to happen. I hope it's not just old product that they're trying to get rid of. It's like liquid. That's weird. You'll have to tell me if you've used this product before, whether it's supposed to be liquid. Usually primer is more of a cream or a gel. It does feel really nice on the skin. It's very soft, but it's a little suspicious. But I'm excited-ish about it. At least it's something I've never tried, so that's good. All right, Lila, your turn. Okay. All right. Oh, okay, all right. The Instant Cleansing Balm by Good Molecules. Now, they did send me this in PR a while back. It's not my favorite in that it's difficult to rinse off, but some people don't mind that. It does a really nice job of taking my makeup off, though. So again, this will be something that I will put in giveaway in future. So we've got 1 out of 2. All right, let's keep going. I think there's more stuff in there. All right, John, go ahead.
Yes, there's definitely more stuff.
All right, did you cover it back up? Ooh, I feel a brush. I feel a makeup brush.
It is a brush.
Yay, okay, what did I get? All right, I got a Wayne Goss pencil brush, which I got in a Beautylish Lucky Bag another year, but it is a really good brush. So I do have this, because from a past Beautylish bag. This is the Wayne Goss number 5 brush. I believe you know what? It might be a little slightly smaller one, but I do really like this brush. Wayne Goss makes fantastic brushes. They're very expensive, so I am really excited to have this. I know that I'm gonna be using that. So that's good. So we're at 2 for 2, 2 for 4. Wait, 2 out of 4 I like. 2 likes, 2 dislikes, well, not dislikes, 2 things I already have, 2 new things to my life. Lila, your turn. All right, there were a couple of things that I saw in every single box, so I'm thinking some of those are coming up next. There's at least 2 things that I think come in every box.
Ooh.
Oh,
cool.
John says, ooh, so it must be cool. All right, yep, okay, this is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I believe this was in the Lucky Bag last year as well. But it is a really nice dry shampoo. It's got a really high price point. It's a very good dry shampoo. I'm not hating getting this, even though I've used it multiple times. It's a great dry shampoo. So, 3 out of 5. Doing all right, doing all right. All right, John, go ahead. Is this worth $90 so far? Nope. Except for they get to make some people happy by giving them some really nice things like the Riviera palette. All right, ooh, what is this?
You have to cover it back up, though.
I think this is something I've never owned before because it doesn't feel familiar. Okay, all right, so we have the R&Co Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist. So we have a dry shampoo spray and a dry shampoo mist. Odd choice, but I've never tried this before, so sure, we'll try it. We'll see how it goes. Maybe it'll end up in a favorites and fails in the future, but we'll say that this is a win. We'll say that this is a win. So now we're at, how many are we at? We're at 3. 3 out of...
No, it's 4 out of 6.
Oh, the brush. Yes. See, you're better at this than I am. I think there's at least one more thing that everybody gets in their box because the dry shampoo, the Oribe dry shampoo is one of them.
It's pretty good. It looks good, but I don't know what it is.
La, la, la. Yep, this was the other thing. So this is an Hourglass Confession lipstick. Bloop. Okay, so let's see what shade I got because the shades that I saw, like Michelle Wong, I think she got like a pink. I don't really wear pink lipsticks. I did see someone else got a red, so we will see.
Is it a purple?
A purple might be kind of neat.
It might be a gold.
Let's see.
Because
okay, so I believe this is their refillable kind. Okay, so I got a red. I am not hating that at all. Let's swatch it and see. Yeah. I'll probably wear that. If nothing else, I'll wear it and mix it. I've never tried this formula before, so I'm actually really excited to try it. What do you guys think so far? Any of this interesting at all?
Not really.
I think they're growing out of unboxing my Lucky Bag with me. They're getting too old to be amused by me and this video.
It's fun to do.
Okay, well that's good. I'm glad you're still having fun. That might be it.
No, it's not.
No, it's not? Okay, is it your turn, John?
It looks like there's a ton more stuff.
Really? Well, you guys told me that last year and you faked me out and then there was nothing else but paper left.
We'll see.
This could be the
Oh,
last.
there's another thing in there. Was that your turn? Was it your
Yes.
turn?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yes,
Okay,
I
cool.
want to see if there's anything else.
Okay, all right.
Cover.
That might be it. But I do think that I got more stuff than most people did. I do think I got a little extra lucky in
That was
this.
it.
Okay, so this is the Cover FX Glitter Drops, and I am not a huge glitter drop kind of person, so I have a feeling I'll probably end up passing these on. Yeah, I mean, this is one of those things that I will get, and I'll go, ooh, maybe I'll use that one day, and then it never gets used, so it's probably better that I just pass it on, especially since it's a glitter drops and not just a shimmer that I might be able to mix into foundation or something like that. Yeah, this is probably, unless I held it on to it for you for the next, like, 4 years, because I think you might use this when you're, like, 15.
Maybe, I don't know.
Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, it's getting passed on. But it is really pretty. I mean, it's got this beautiful, like, mermaid looking pink and green and beautifulness in there. So, but I think it's gonna end up getting passed on. All right, so Lila, you wanna dip in there and just make sure there's nothing else left in there?
I checked.
And there's probably nothing else in there, because that seems about right. So now, let's go ahead and just kind of go back through it and evaluate. Okay, John.
There's nothing in there.
I'm looking for the good stuff.
There's nothing in
Bubble
there.
wrap.
Oh, okay. Can we not do that right now, though? Can we wait until after the video, and then you can pop it all you like? Let's wait till after the video, okay? All right, thank you. Okay, all right. Putting this aside, I don't trust you. Okay, so let's go through and let's talk honestly. What of this would I have purchased from Beautylish if I had the choice? So I already owned this, and I don't really care for it. So that's definitely a no. I wouldn't have purchased this since I already own it. I wouldn't have purchased the Cover FX drops because I just don't do glitter drops. The Orbe Dry Shampoo I've tried a bunch of times, but it is good. If it was like lumped into other things and maybe on sale or something, I may have purchased that. I honestly probably wouldn't have purchased the Wayne Goss brush just because I don't really need it, even though it's a really nice brush and I'm thankful to have it. I wouldn't have purchased a red lipstick from Hourglass, even though I am, again, thankful to have it. The Becca primer I may have purchased just because it's something new, something I've never tried. But if you watch my primer declutter, did you see my primer declutter? Did you watch it?
I think I saw you I think I saw you editing it.
Did you see my primer declutter?
Oh, no.
No, they don't watch my videos. But I have plenty of primers. I don't really need this, but it is nice to try something new, so I am thankful to have it. I'm also thankful to try the R&Co Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist. But I will tell you, honestly, there isn't a single thing here that I probably would have actually chosen to buy, which is quite disappointing. And if we break this down, are these products worth $90? And this is definitely a no. Definitely not worth $90 to me. If I had a smaller makeup collection and I had never tried the Riviera, didn't have it, I would be so excited and so thankful to have the Riviera palette. It's a fantastic palette. So I think for somebody else, this would have been a more exciting lucky bag than it is for me. Will I do this again next year? Yes. I will, because I like doing this with my kids and it's always fun to get it, even though a lot of times I end up giving stuff away. It's still fun, and that's what I'm paying for, is the experience. Will you guys come back next year?
Yeah.
You will?
Sure.
Yeah? Well, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you got a lucky bag, I would love to know what you got down below, if you felt like it was worth the money or not. Please let me know. I'd love to know what you think about what I got in my bag, and whether you think my box would have been worth it. Thank you again so much for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe before you go. And if you would like to hang out a little bit longer, YouTube should be recommending a video for you right down there to watch. But if it is your time to go, thank you for hanging out as long as you did. And you want to say it with me? Mad love, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Did you say bye?
No.
Bye.